Did you feel that?
No.
It's like an earthquake in here. Oh no, that's the next cocktail. We're gonna make an earthquake cocktail.
That was horrible.
This is gonna seem weird, but we gotta trust the process, okay? You just gotta trust the process.
Sure.
1 ounce of gin. Because in an earthquake,
You're gonna reach for a bottle of gin? Where are you going with this?
I don't know.
Pour the damn drink. No.
So,
No.
next in our earthquake, we need 4 ounces of root beer.
With gin?
I have no idea what this is gonna taste like.
Please tell me there's something else that goes in this.
Nice.
There are no other ingredients in this drink.
There's gin, there's ice, and there's root beer. Here you go.
What did I do wrong?
You've been mean to me all day. Earthquake cocktail. 1 ounce of gin, 4 ounces of root beer, ice, and regret. Cheers.
Oh, babe, that smells awful.
I don't know why I like it.
Okay, do you know why I like it? Halloween, you would get those hard candies, the barrel ones, the barrel hard candies.
Absolutely.
That's what this tastes like.
Absolutely. This is good. I'm very surprised.
It smells like gin, though.
Mm-hmm.
But it tastes like that candy.
That's a great, yeah. Wow, this is...
All right, I'm going with a thumbs up, I guess.